Convolutional neural networks, or ConvNets in short, were responsible for many of the early successes of deep learning. Deep ConvNets, or deep convolutional neural networks, were first deployed commercially over 20 years ago. They are not a new concept. While the success of AlexNet on the ImageNet challenge in 2012 reignited widespread interest in this field, but still, subsequently for almost a decade, ConvNet dominated computer vision benchmarks. But recently, they have been replaced by vision transformers, or WITs. Many researchers and scholars in this field believe that ConvNets perform well on small or moderately sized datasets, but not really competitive with vision transformers when given access to datasets on the web scale. This is where these researchers have challenged this notion by evaluating a performant ConvNet architecture pre-trained on GFT 4 billion, which is a large labeled dataset of images often used for training foundation models. I really like this research paper, and if you are looking into this ConvNet and Vision Transformer, I would highly suggest that you look into this paper. If you want to read through the whole paper, you can download it from the right hand side by clicking on Download PDF. And really, hats off to all of these researchers, Samuel, Andrew, Leonard, and Soham, for doing this awesome research. Challenging, so because this paper is challenging the ConvNet limit, and this study scales up training with GFT4B, as I mentioned, that matches Vision Transformers performance at web scale. And the best thing is that this has already achieved 90.4% top 1 accuracy on ImageNet. So amazing stuff. I hope that you liked it. If you have any questions or thought, or if you're already using it, please share your experience. That would be very helpful for all of us. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.